These units are available in the USA through MUZ-GL, a joint venture between Mitsubishi Electric and Trane Technologies, but the units are only sold by their authorized contractor network. The MUY-GL models are basic single-zone air conditioners, while the MUZ-GL units are heat pumps with a 17 SEER efficiency. They feature a 5-speed indoor fan motor with coated coils to resist corrosion. They are available in 115-volt and 208/230-volt systems and can be controlled through a smartphone app. The SUZ models are premium heat pumps with efficiencies of 22.4 SEER and the ability to provide 100% of heating capacity even when outdoor temperatures are as low as 5 F. The MXZ units are multi-zone heat pumps that can serve up to 8 indoor units from a single outdoor unit. The brand is backed by a very good warranty, and when installed by their diamond contractors, the guarantee is extended to an industry-leading 12 years. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.